Hi, I'm Paul from businessenglishcommunity.com. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell to make sure you get all of our videos. In this video, I'm going to be talking about acronyms, coming right up. Okay, well, acronyms are very common within the world of business, but first of all, what is an acronym? Well, an acronym is an abbreviation formed by using the initial letters of other words. What I'm going to do now is to give you an example of a text that contains a number of different acronyms, and then I'm going to explain them to you. Let's go for it. The YTD figures are low, and so we have increased SEO efforts and we're doing more PR to get more B2C and B2B clients with simpler SLAs in order to keep the CEO happy. FYI, we're keeping an eye on LTV, CAC, ROI and CPC and storing all of this information on a CRM. We are monitoring different KPIs and trying to improve the UX. All of this has to be done by COB on Friday, or I'll be in trouble with HR. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that little text, packed with quite a few very common business acronyms. So I thought now I would just go through and explain them, help you to understand what I was actually saying. So the first one is YTD, or year to date. In fact, you wouldn't normally say Y2D, you would just say year to date. It's just as quick to say in its full form, but you will see the abbreviation in pieces of writing. What does that mean? Well, year to date simply means everything that has happened from January the 1st until the present date. So it's not the first quarter, it's not the first 6 months, it's everything that's happened to date, whatever date today may be. So that's YTD, year to date. The second one I mentioned was SEO. SEO is, of course, search engine optimization. This is a process by which one tries to increase online visibility by optimizing web code, by creating great content for a particular website, and even employing strategies such as backlinking to a particular website. So SEO, all about getting greater online visibility, search engine optimization. Number 3, PR, very simple, public relations. The relationship that a company has with the public, PR, public relations, and trying to maintain a positive image for a particular company. The next one, B2C, that simply means business to consumer. In other words, when a business is selling a product to an individual consumer, and B2B means business to business, a business dealing with another business. SLA, well, that's a service level agreement. That's an agreement between a service provider and a client, an agreement that details things such as what tasks will be carried out, when they will be done, and how much that particular work is going to cost. So that's a service level agreement. CEO is Chief Executive Officer. That's the highest ranking person in a company. FYI, for your information. It's a way of saying you might be interested in this. It's a way of highlighting a particular piece of information. You will often see it written in emails. LTV is lifetime value, how much a particular customer or client is worth over the course of their relationship with a particular company. That's LTV, or lifetime value. CAC, customer acquisition cost. How much does it take in terms of advertising or other efforts in order to bring a customer on board? What is the price for attracting a new customer? That is the customer acquisition cost, or CAC. ROI, return on investment. This is a performance measure, the way of measuring the profitability of a particular investment. That's ROI. CPC, cost per click. This relates to online advertising. If you advertise on Google and you set it up so that someone pays when they click on your advertisement, that is a cost per click. How much does each click cost to the advertiser? CRM is client relationship management, and this normally refers to a particular software or a system that is used to manage the relationships with clients. So you would find all the client details, the last time you had any contact with that particular client, and so on. That is CRM, or client relationship management. KPI. A KPI is a key performance indicator. It's a measurable value that indicates whether a company is reaching its goals or not. There are many different types of KPI, such as sales figures and number of units sold and so on. That's KPI, key performance indicator. UX refers to user experience. How does the user feel when they are interacting with your product or service? Nowadays, this often refers to the interaction that a consumer has with a website. For example, how easy is it to navigate the website and find what you are looking for, and how easy is it to add certain items to the shopping cart, and so on. That's UX, user experience. COB, close of business, simply means the end of the day, the end of trading, the end of office hours. COB, close of business. And finally, HR, human resources. Well, that's the department within a company that oversees personnel or staff, dealing with everything from payroll to contracts and much more. They are the ones who cultivate the relationship between employer and employee. So that's HR, human resources. That wraps up all of the acronyms that I covered in that little text there at the beginning. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you.